because you're not going straight.
Wow, you are close.
There you go.
Nice slab.
Yeah, baby.
Shushu, how was the portage? It was amazing.
Shushu, am I blinking? No, am I blinking? Amazing. I think I'm blinking.
You know they talk about you every trip, right? They're always like, amazing.
How was that? Amazing.
Yes, then you are blinking.
Killarney. And there's Temagami. We're like directly between the two regions.
It's like international water. Kind of selfie. That might have worked.
I don't know. We'll see.
You're blinking.
Hi. Hello. Good morning.
And I'll do that.
Show? Oh, is it out?
Hi. Fire. Hi. Hi.
Actually, I want to do it again, but my hair becomes different now.
Only making plans for Ronnie. Ronnie just needs this helping hand. And if young Ronnie says he's happy, he must be happy. He must be happy. He must be happy in his word. Ronnie gets to defend now.
What, a 6-9 or...
6-9 or ace.
Now, what happens if I put a trump card?
Then I possibly either defend it or I
Hello.
pick it up.
Hi. Hi.
He likes to speak and he loves to be spoken to. In his mind, Ronnie is happy in his mind. Ronnie is happy in his mind.
Hi. Over here, hi.
You're going to ruin every video.
Hi.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I love it.
I'll take a picture of you.
These could probably be split. I don't know how, but
No, they'll burn.
they will. They're kind of small enough, right? But yeah.
We're good.
And then we'll save these 3 for tomorrow. I'm a little tired. Fuck it, more than enough. You're blinking.
Let's hold that.
You know you're blinking?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
You go beautiful.
Hi, I'm Ronnie Lebo, and I like to be outdoors.
Hey, so what's for breakfast?
Bacon and eggs! Bacon and eggs! Yeah!
Wow, it's dark over there.
That is just stunning.
Yeah.
Oh, reel in. Nice.
don't know how big. Nice. Yeah. Go, 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 go.
Shoo, cover the wood! Cover the wood!
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, shit. I was going to bring my poncho. I went, no, we'll be fine. I was dry.
Let's go! Holy fuck, look at the lake! Look at the lake! Cover the wood! Just cover the wood! Cover the wood!
What's that? Did our tent blow over?
Oh my god. Okay, you get out and go deal with this. My rain jacket must be soaked. I hope this doesn't last long.
Poor guys.
Yeah.
Are you as wet as me?
Wetter, we were out in the middle there.
Dude, we got the same storm. You were just in it longer.
Is this what you were hoping for? Did you wish this on us? You wanted this so bad in the back of your mind that you're like, oh, I just want to be... Hold on. In my home country, I get 25 millimeters of rain a year. Okay, wait. I give you 50 in an hour.
I got a broken tent.
We got a broken tent.
I'm soaking wet. We have no dinner. And I don't care.
Woo!
Some people would be like, this trip is ruined. I'm like, this trip's just getting started.
It's so true.
All right, let's drink some scotch.
Oh, yeah.
Take one.
Yeah.
Don't lose
Don't lose it.
I'm grabbing it.
Grab it.
Cool.
Look up.
Well, this is no good. I should just let go of this.
You can keep it.
Other. Yeah.
No, the one was bent already. Don't do it the whole way.
No. Good. We're good. A man on a mission.
You're blinking. That's wicked.
I say that you bathe under that.
Yeah, I agree.
That's gotta hurt when you're going with a life jacket like that.
Hold on. Okay, go. Wait. Nice.
Your head missed that rock by about that much.
No, it did. No, it did not.
I know where I am.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! It's just sheer beauty.
We should climb this.
Not right now. Shit. Okay, I gotta do
Yo.
double whammy.
Keeping this one, right?
Got one.
What? Just ride it? Flip it and get in and... Hold on, what's that? That's what I'm to it. Thank you.
Romeo and Juliet. They only give you the chords for the first part, and then the rest are just the lyrics, but they don't have the chords anymore, so I have to remember what the fuck they are.
Well, remember what the fuck they are.
It's not that easy.
Well, you should be a musician.
You should.
You should be a musician. Fuck you.
It's a floater. A deep dive floater, so it's going to go deeper every time I go. Really?
One direction and not in circles. I don't care. Who was
Well, here's what it is for being a tourist. You don't get any, nothing.